My name is Alan Lambert, and I'm the owner of Lambert Heating Air Conditioning. Most impactful thing from the sales training was understanding how the process actually worked. Well, other impactful things would be asking questions, the going negative or the pendulum theory, memorizing the script. Oh, I know a big one, the efficiency bonus, the ability to get a decision today, as opposed to giving somebody a quote and they decide after they've thought about it. Adam has actually done this out in the field, so he knows from a first-hand basis what works and what does not work. What I liked best about the overall experience was it was one-on-one trading. I think it would impact my bottom line greatly, give me higher margins and more steady work. And the bottom line, that's more money at the end of the year. ExtremeClosing has supported me. Adam's there if I need to ask him a question. The other is monthly or the twice weekly seminars have gone through and reviewed what we've talked about, so it reinforces what I learned the first time. The second time you hear something, sometimes you understand it better than the first time. It would help someone who is on the fence by closing more sales, making a decision, as opposed to getting one later. I would recommend ExtremeClosing. That will help you.